Okay, so chapter 7, the first question is what type of mirror used in anti-shoplifting device? So what do you guys think about it? Question number 1. Used in anti-shoplifting device. So basically the one that you can find inside a convenience store. What type of mirror is that? Convex, correct? Convex, okay? So this ni adalah kancah cembung, the one that we use dekat dalam shop, dekat tepi jalan tu semua. Okay, the main reason kenapa kamu pakai convex? Okay, soalan saya. Why do you use convex mirror? Sebab apa? Apa karakteristik of the image untuk convex mirror? Yes, very good. So kalau kamu ada convex mirror, kata saya nak tulis diagram kan, tak kisahlah position of the image dekat mana sekalipun, objek tu dekat mana sekalipun, image kamu sentiasa dekat situ. Okay. So image karakteristik dia sentiasa virtual, diminish, and upright. Okay. But the main thing, the main reason why you use convex mirror is because we basically want to have a smaller image, okay, so that we can have a bigger perspective of view. Macam angle kita view tu lagi besar. That's why we use the convex mirror. Okay, question number 2. The image of an object which is formed by convex mirror is always, okay, ini soalan yang tadi tu lah, virtual and smaller. Smaller. Okay. Question 3. Which of the following statement about convex and concave mirror is true? Convex and concave mirrors is true. So answer A, dia kata convex mirror can only produce real image for the object. So convex mirror yang tadi kita lukis ni, image dia sentiasa virtual. So this one is wrong lah. Okay. Concave mirror cause a parallel beam of light incident on it to diverge. Betul ke salah? Concave mirror. Converge ke diverge? Concave mirror. Is it concave? Converge. Ini concave mirror. So positive F converge. So yang dua tu salah juga lah. Radius of curvature of convex mirror is equal to its focal length. This one is wrong as well. They are supposedly to be equals to 2F. And concave mirror can produce both real and virtual image. This one is correct. Okay. So you can have visual and real image. Kalau kamu rapatkan dengan dia punya apa tu? Kalau kamu rapat dengan dia punya apa saya cakap ni? Sekejap, saya tunjuk kamu punya. Kalau kamu rapat dengan mirror, kamu akan dapat image on the other side. I'll try to show you a picture. Okay, ini contoh untuk mirror, untuk concave mirror. Okay, so as you can see here, this is a concave mirror. Kalau kamu punya objek kamu dekat yang yellow ni, okay, kamu punya image dekat sini. Okay, kalau objek kamu dekat sini, yang red ni, image kamu dekat sini. So you can see bila dia jauh infinity, image kamu kat focal point. Bila kamu makin dekat, sebenarnya image kamu dekat situ. Okay. And then at one point, bila dia dekat sini, then you will have it over here. If you move closer, which is towards the sea, then you have image which is exactly on top of the sea as well. Okay. So masa ni, dia punya apa ni, image adalah same size dengan objek. So ke depan lagi, then basically I will produce yang dekat belakang sini. So saya dekat lagi, kalau dekat sini kan, nanti dekat belakang lagi lah. So bila dia exactly on F, image dia hilang. Okay. Hilang tu sebab dia terbentuk dekat infinity, sama dekat positif atau dekat negatif. Jadi kalau saya ke depan lagi, then my image is over here. So this is what I meant lah. So you can have real and virtual image. So this part you will produce this position, dia akan produce real image. But once you get less than focal length, the image produced will be virtual. So the answer will be donkey D. Question number 4. Which of the following statement concerning spherical mirror is not true? Okay, the ray parallel principle exists will always be reflected to or from the focal point. That one macam betul, seems correct. The image is formed at the intersection between the light ray passing the center of curvature that passes focal point. That one is correct as well. Ray nombor berapa tu lah. And see the image produced from the spherical mirror is always upright. Ini macam salah. The focal point of mirror is located half of its radius of curvature. That one is correct. So the answer is C. Okay. Number 4 is C. Question number 5. Which of the following statements regarding the trace of rays via thin lens is not true? Okay, apa jawapan dia? Mana satu yang salah? A kata ray parallel principle exists, refracted pass through the principal focus for convex lens. Jadi kalau convex lens, initially the parallel principle exists, refracted, and then pass through the principal focus. Macam betul lah. The ray parallel to the principal will appear diverge. Concave lens diverge. Macam betul juga. Passing through principal focus will be diverged away from principal axis for convex. Macam salah sebab dia kata diverge. The ray passing through the center of concave lens will pass through without deviation. This one is correct. Okay, jawapannya adalah C. Okay. The main reason kenapa yang ini salah. So dia kata dekat sini diverge untuk convex, sedangkan convex lens is converge. So ni yang convex lens. Okay, any question so far? Faham ke tidak?
Faham, sir.
Okay, let's proceed to the next question. Question 6 kita dah discuss. Now question 7. Question 7 they ask you to draw a ray diagram to show the formation of image in convex mirror. So you have to draw it properly lah. Convex mirror, which is like this. Okay, it will only produce one image. Okay, saya tak lukis lah, nanti kamu lukis sendiri. So it doesn't really matter where is the position of the object, you will always have the image over here. Okay. So proof by draw the appropriate ray diagrams. Okay, question B kata a person looks at her image in a shiny spherical decoration. Okay, shiny spherical decoration ini kamu boleh bayangkan kalau kamu Christmas tree kan. Okay, and then kamu ada apa tu yang gantung-gantung tu maybe red color ke gold color ke macam tu. So this is the spherical decoration yang dimaksudkan tu lah. Dia kata bila dia punya muka tu 30 cm from the surface, okay, ini cermin ni kamu nampak cermin apa? Is it convex or concave mirror? Kamu bayangkan kamu berdiri kat sini kan, ni kamu tengok dekat spherical surface. Yes, kamu nampak dekat belah sini dia akan cembung. Okay, ni mirror lah because dia reflected light. You can see the image dekat situ. So this one adalah convex. So it's shaped like this. Okay, good, very good. The diameter of the decoration is 20 cm. So D is equals to 20 cm. Kalau D sama dengan 20 cm, the radius would be 10 and the focal length would be 5. Okay, my question is, does the F is it positive or negative focal length? Ni converge ke diverge? Cermin macam ni. Dia adalah diverge kan? Kalau diverge, F dia negative. Yeah. So you really have to memorize yang untuk diverge, F dia negative. Untuk converge, F dia positive. Okay, sifat dia, sifat cermin tu. So it should be negative here. Determine the position of the image. So basically the question want to find V. So U is here. Okay, if you want to, you know straight away the image will be formed over there. Okay, sebab kita tahulah. Untuk convex memang image dekat situ saja. So 1 over F is equals to 1 over U plus 1 over V 1 over negative 5 30. Okay, so if you calculate you get V sama dengan negative 5, so negative 1.5 minus 1 over 30, then don't forget to take inverse of that. But here it's negative 4.29 centimeter. So negative here means apa? The image is
Diverge. Inverted.
virtual. Okay, kalau yang V kan, kalau dia positif ataupun negatif maksudnya dia adalah real ataupun virtual. Kalau negatif dia virtual lah, kalau dia positif dia adalah real. So here is negative virtual. Okay, tapi bila ditanya pasal position you have to state lah whether the image produced is actually same side ke opposite side. Okay, kalau mirror, saya ulang balik lah, mirror ray daripada sini kan. So this part, kalau image terbentuk dekat sini, ini adalah real. Okay, kalau image terbentuk dekat atas sini, kat dalam cermin, itu adalah virtual. So in this case, opposite side to the image. Sorry, opposite side to the object. Okay. You guys understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yang C pula, dia kata concave mirror, rather than convex mirror, I use by dentist to examine the teeth. Explain why. Kenapa kita pakai concave mirror? So, bila kamu sebagai dentist dan kamu dentist, kamu nak tengok gigi. So, logically, you want the image to be bigger ke smaller?
Bigger.
Bigger, right? So, that one particular characteristic rules out concave punya mirror. Sorry, convex punya mirror. Sebab convex punya mirror, image kamu sentiasa diminish. Okay? So, you can answer that by answering convex can produce magnified image. Okay, lagi satu karakteristik sebenarnya adalah upright. Magnified and upright image. Okay, so kalau kamu nak let's say kamu nak tengok dalam cermin kan, kamu nak buat operation ke apa, so you basically want to have an image that is bigger and upright. Upright tu maksudnya dia side yang sama lah. Kalau gigi kanan yang kamu nak potong, so nak cabut, then nampak yang belah kanan lah. Kalau nampak terbalik, salah cabut. So tu kalau kamu perasan, bila dia nak produce image yang magnified and upright ni, sebenarnya when, so ini additional when U is less than F. Okay, when U is less than F, then you have magnified and upright image. Kita pergi balik kat sini. Okay, masih kat sini lah. Bila dia less daripada F, image produce magnified and upright. Okay, if it is inverted, then susah lah kamu nak buat kerja. Okay, understand tak? Satu bila dia place dia punya cermin tu dekat dalam mulut kamu tu, actually bila kamu punya gigi tu less daripada F dia, rapat dengan gigi kamu dia tak. Okay, kita cuba tengok next question, which is question 9. Vertical object is placed in front of spherical mirror and the linear magnification is 3. If upright image is formed 30 cm from the center of the mirror, state the types of spherical mirror and justify your answer. Okay, A. Ini mirror ni jenis apa? Dia kata linear magnification M sama dengan 3, V sama dengan 30. Magnification M sama dengan 3 maksudnya image tu membesar ke mengecil? Magnified kan?
Magnified.
So kalau image tu magnified, mirror apa yang boleh produce magnified image? Yes, image is magnified. Therefore, concave mirror. Kalau convex, sentiasa diminish. Ingat tak? Okay, and then there's a sketch ray diagram, and that one kita boleh, okay, saya banyak ukir, nanti kamu ukir balik. C tu kamu boleh kira. Okay, before we calculate, so I want to ask you guys, yang M ni positif ke negatif? Kalau ikut ayat dia. Sebab dia adalah upright, very good. So because the image is upright, so you can say that M is positive. Okay. Okay, cuba kita kira. If an upright image 30 cm from the center of mirror. Okay, kalau kamu ingat, roughly kita buat. Oops. Image kamu ada concave. Okay, kalau magnified, kamu ada dua position of the image. Okay, satu bila dia dekat belakang, satu lagi bila dia dekat same side. Contoh dekat sini ya, pergi balik sini. Okay, magnified image can be produced bila objek kamu dekat sini, image kamu dekat situ, ataupun objek kamu dekat sini, image kamu dekat sini. Okay, sama ada objek kamu between C dengan F ataupun less than F. Okay, so sekarang ni dia kata image dia adalah upright. So basically we are talking about this part. Okay, kalau yang ini pair dia tu, yang part tu dia mesti inverted. Okay, now we know if we draw, then the image will be formed over there like that. Okay, so sekarang saya nak tanya, V dia positif ke negatif? Is it positive atau negatif V? Negatif V. Okay, sebab apa dia negatif? Sebab dia adalah virtual image. Dia belakang, di dalam mirror. So ni kita cakap pasal mirror Kalau lens ni, mirror kan? Mirror. Okay. Okay, so they ask you to calculate the distance of the object. So I think maybe kamu terconfused dengan lens. So dia nak U. You know that M is equals to positive 3. You also know that from the formula M is equals to negative V over U. So 3 is equals to negative V over U. Because we want to find U, kita tulis dalam V lah. V sama dengan negative 3U. So answer tu dalam U. And then we want to apply 1 over F equals to 1 over U plus 1 over V. Okay. So dia dah kasih V. Boleh cari U tu dah, sorry. Saya ingat dia kasih ni. So, you can straight away find the punya V. Sorry, kita boleh straight away cari U sebab dia dah kasih V. So, U dia sama dengan V over negatif 3. V dia adalah negatif 30. Sebab apa negatif? Sebab dia produce virtual. Stand lah. Okay, understand tak? Okay, the next question baru dia cari kamu punya, dia punya radius. So to find radius, you basically have to find punya focal length dulu. Dah dapat focal length, kamu darab dulu dapat radius lah. So you have 1 over F equals to 1 over U tambah 1 over V. U tadi sama dengan 10. Sini F ni macam 15. kira. Okay, F dia sama dengan 15 cm. So it's positive. And then R dia sama dengan 2F, which is equals to 2 multiplied by 15, which is equals to 30 cm. Okay. Any question regarding this question?
No, sir.
Kita tadi, we go straight to question 12. That's what 11 kita dah discuss. Okay, question 12 kata sketch a ray diagram to show final image formed by spherical mirror below. State form and characteristic of the image with the length of focal length of 10 cm. Distance of object is 5 cm in front of the lens. So basically, kamu punya objek tu, kalau untuk convex, okay, okay, itu, so dia kata F dia adalah 10, U dia sama dengan 5 cm. So basically, objek dia less daripada F. Okay, kasi label F into F, objek dia kat situ lah. Okay, kalau untuk convex lens, F dia adalah positive F sebab dia adalah converge. Kalau untuk concave, so ni adalah convex. Dia adalah negative F because this one is diverge. Okay, they ask you to sketch the ray diagram. Okay, so if you try to do it, I think you can do it yourself. Nanti you can see lah. Kalau yang untuk yang ni, image kamu terbentuk sebenarnya dekat belakang sini. Okay, kalau yang tu, image dia terbentuk antara F dengan 2H, if I'm not mistaken. Kalau saya tak salah, kamu check dulu. Sekejap, bukan. Image dia terbentuk kurang daripada F. Oh, bukan. Image dia terbentuk kat depan. Okay, kamu baca lukis lah. So, yang pertama sekali, yang masuk dekat situ terus keluar. Okay. Dan terus, sudah pergi ke sana. Betul lah. Okay, ni nanti kamu buat sendiri. You can do it. Rasa do it properly. Dah saya tunjuk tak kan? 12 ni. Okay. We move on to the next question, question 14. A thin biconvex lens made of glass with refractive index of n equals to 1.52. So dia kata n ni adalah n material sebab dia made up of the glass. The radius of the curvature for each surface is 20 cm. Object with a height of 3 cm is placed 14 cm from the lens and determine the focal length, the position of the image, and the position of the image form bila dia direndam dalam water. So first thing first, if you want to find the focal length, you have to use this formula, n material divided by n medium minus 1 and then multiply by 1 over R1 minus 1 over R2. Okay, just double check the formula. Betul lah. Okay, so now biconvex lens tu bentuk dia macam mana? Macam biconvex tu bentuk dia?
Dia kembung.
Dia kembung, yes, very good. So satu side kalau kamu tengok dia nampak sebagai convex. Kamu tengok lagi satu side pun kamu nampak convex juga. So bila dua-dua side convex ni dia bentuk macam ni lah, like convex. Okay. So dia kata R dia tu adalah 30 cm for each surface. Okay, let's say we assume that light is coming from this direction. Okay, so yang first surface tu adalah immediately kamu punya R1. R1 tu positif ke negatif?
Positif.
Positif, very good. So kita nampak dia sebagai converging light kan. Dia adalah convex punya surface. Yang second surface tu R2 tu, which is yang this part ni, dia akan nampak sebagai positif ke negatif?
Negatif.
Yes, very good. Okay. So now we substitute the formula 1.52 over medium dia adalah initially dia dekat N. So 1 lah. So R1 is equals to 1 over 30 cm minus negative 30 cm. So here you should get 0.52 multiplied by 2 over 20, so 2 over 30, 1 per F, by 28.85. Okay, I got here is positive, so basically it's a converging lens. And then the shape makes sense lah sebab dia nampak macam convex lens pun. It's positive 28.85. Okay, B, they ask you to find the position of the image formed by the lens. Given that the U 3 is 3 cm, dia kasih ni. So dia kata U dia, katakan kamu ada objek, U dia sama dengan 3 cm. Okay. So you just have to apply lens equation. 1 over F is equals to 1 over U tambah 1 over B. 1 over 28.85. Kalau tadi dapat negatif, kamu bawa je lah negatif tu. Okay. Solve V, we should get V equals to search it pula. Oh, height dia yang 3. Tapi position dia adalah 14. Okay, so saya baca. So the position here it should be 14. Okay. So maybe the image is around there. Okay. I wonder. So this one will be 14. Kita bagi 27.199 ataupun 27 negative 27.20 cm. Okay, negative here means that the object, sorry, the image is virtual. Okay, kalau virtual, case ni same side ke opposite side the lens?
Same side.
Same side, very good. Okay, sebab dia adalah lens. Same lens, light are supposed to be passed through. Since dia adalah virtual means that dia adalah same side. Okay, very good. Tulislah kalau dia tanya position, kita kena tulis begitu. Same side with object. Okay. Dia kata now find the position of the image when the lens is now immersed in the water. So basically, and the ni no longer NL lah. Now medium tu jadi and water. So in C2 and medium is equals to 1.33. So basically you apply the same formula. 1 over F is equals to 1 N material divided by I medium minus 1. Yang kanan tu masih lagi sama. 1/15. We got F is equals to 105 centimeter. Okay, still positive. So U is 14. Yang berubah dia adalah F lah. Here I got negative 16.15. Again, since this one is negative, means that it is a virtual image. Okay. Tapi kita pasal position, so we say whether same side atau opposite lah. Dari negative, lens, virtual, same side. Okay. Ada soalan tak?
Tak ada, sir.
Okay. So let's try to look at another example, another question, the last question. So before that, just a reminder. So kalau dia berubah medium, dia akan berubah focal length. So if the focal length change, then you will expect that the position of the image will change as well. Okay, question 15. Converging lens has a focal length of 8 centimeter. Determine the two position. Okay. That an object can be placed to produce an image that is 4 times the size of the object. Okay. So dia cerita pasal converging lens. Converging lens ni, kalau kamu tengok, this is the lens converging. Dia ada dua position yang boleh dapat magnified image. Okay. One, bila dia dekat sini, kalau kita bikin rafi kan, you can see that ini W1, W2 dia macam ni. Okay, so dia punya image tu sebenarnya terbentuk kat belakang sini. Okay. Kalau nak tengok betul-betul, image dia tu sebenarnya terbentuk dekat, saya tak ingat dia terbentuk dekat. Kau rasa dia terbentuk kat sini ke dekat belakang? Confused pula. Can somebody check it for me?
Belakang, sir.
Belakang dua belakang. Okay. So, pada ini. Okay. Another one, kalau kamu punya objek dekat sini. Kalau saya tak salah lah. Betul tak? Ujung sini betul? Can somebody clarify this for me?
Betul, sir.
Betul eh? So if you're not sure, you can always draw the ray diagram properly. Okay? Saya ni just sketch. So bahaya dia nanti dia terlari sedikit lah. Jadi kalau kamu buat proper, you should get the actual position. Okay, so dia ada dua position yang kamu boleh dapat magnified image. Okay, so dia nak dua position kan. So position number 1, katakan yang blue tu, kalau kita buat M dia adalah positif. Kenapa dia positive for? Because image dia magnified and then upright. It's a positive. Kalau yang lagi satu tu, M dia adalah magnified, so 4 lah, tapi dia inverted, negatif. Okay, so dia ada dua situation. Okay, F dia adalah 8, positif ke negatif? Kalau lens macam ni, converging lens, positif ke negatif F?
Positif.
Yes, very good. So it's positive F. So the question we need to find U. U dia kat mana? Position of the object, right? So from M, you know that M is equal to negative 4 over, negative V over U. So ini adalah 4. Okay, yang ni saya jawab dalam bentuk V, dalam bentuk U lah. V sama dengan negatif 4 U. Kalau kita nak cari U kan. So 1 over F sama dengan 1 over U tambah 1 over V. F dia diberi, which is 8. So basically 4 per U tolak 1, 3 per 4 sekarang saya got 6. Okay, kalau kita tak ni kita buat satu persatu lah. 1 per 8 sama dengan 4 tolak 1 is 3 over 4U. Okay, then you can cross multiply. 4U sama dengan 24. U sama dengan 24 divided by 6. So 24 divided by 4, which is 6. Okay, you can check lah. Another one, okay, kalau right hand yang kat belah lagi satu tu, yang red tu. So basically, negative 4 sama dengan negative V over U. So your V is equals to 4U. So 1 over F. Okay. So this one becomes 4 plus 1, which is 5 over 4U, 1 over F. F ni sama dengan 8. So cross multiply 40 divided by 4 ni sama dengan 10 cm. Okay, so the two position of the image, so the two position for the object. Next is 6 and 10 centimeter respectively. Okay, any question?